Hello, lovelies. Lufara, our guardian angel, thank you so much for replying to you in chat. It is a bit complicated with the list. I'm so sorry for that. I hope you can hear me. Yes, it looks like you can. Happy Friday, everyone. Happy Friday. Thank you so much for the host, Nikki. I love your name still. It's beautiful seeing you here. Thank you so much. So the list, guys, I saw that there were some confusion in chat, and Luftfarblod is absolutely correct. The list that is today is for the people who joined today. That is the list. But the list goes further than that. From previous streams, and those are pending, and they will skip ahead should my guides not say otherwise. That is what's going on. Hello. So many beautiful people here. Hello, Cecily. I don't quite know how to pronounce your name, dear, but welcome. And Luftfarblod. Lai, hello. Amy, hi. Yes, right, exclamation point, joy. There are many people in queue, and we do not rush things here. So it could be that you will have to wait for a couple of streams, or you will have your transference today. It all depends on where we end up. But what I find to be so beautiful is that even if you get your transference or no, there's always a little something, if nothing else, comfort that can come your way. And that's what I think is so beautiful. I forgot. I just saw in camera. I forgot to straighten the teddy bear up. he's just relaxing. It's pretty cute. Pretty cute. Hello, Kingsford. It's not about how it's pronounced, it's about how it's seen. And your heart is always right. I will call you Cess. Is that okay? So Bempus is on his way. Hello, Kamakini. Nice to meet you too. Welcome in, dear. Bempus is on his way. He was just fixing some laundry, hanging some laundry, because you know, it's gotta be done. And he is on his way so that he can support you guys in chat. Hello, Katsar. Probably have to head out early today, but I just wanted to say thank you for the healing. It really centered me in the day after I was myself again. I'm so glad, dear. It's so beautiful having you here always. You're a wonderful, wonderful person. It's wonderful to have met you, Lefara. Truly. There he is. Hello, Sprite. Missed your energy too. I want to say, Lady Luna Star has started on Thursdays nights at 6 p.m. EST, which is midnight for me. She has started this beautiful, wonderful, mass healing live stream. And last night was the second time we've come together and healed each other and the world in that format. And it was absolutely beautiful. And there she is. Hello, Luna. Someone said my name. Hello, love. It was absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna check. I can't quite remember what it was that I did a little. The bot knows of this. I just have to remember what the command was. Let's try this. No? Okay, let's try this. It's gonna show up anyway. I don't think the bot works today. I think, Luna, you had the same issue yesterday. It's gonna show up eventually. It's about asking you, whoever you are, whatever healing means to you, if you feel cold, to have a little chat with Lady Luna Star and to come and join the treehouse, and be part of this wonderful, beautiful experience. It's gonna show up eventually. I saw that the bot had this issue last night too. Hello, dears. Adeline, hello. So, in all the chaos that is in the world right now, that is in our lives right now, that might be in ourselves right now, it's such a beautiful, wonderful thing to come together and just be. And that is what I wish this space to be. we are going to continue with the cue from last stream and the streams before that. And we are going to meet energy, work with healing, listen to the guides, just be. But it's going to be a lot of healing done today. It's beautiful to have all of you here. You didn't turn in your essay yesterday. Too much left to fix. It's gonna be okay, Alcazar. How do you feel in your body? Would it be okay, Alcazar, if I came in and just helped center you? In a way that I've started to understand from a different perspective since working with Luna, actually. It's a similar, but yet I just felt there was something from my perspective that just added to the horizon for me. So would it be okay if I came in and just try to help to soothe you a little bit? To center you, Alcazar? Hello, Cry Mike. Oh, I'm so glad to see you, dear. We met in Michi's chat, did we not? I love your energy. Always have. Okay. Would it be okay, Alcazar, if I came in, just said a little hi? I'm gonna do it with a candle, if you feel it would be okay. I'm gonna decrease the volume somewhat for me. I hope you can hear the music okay. That is one thing that I never know. How loud is the music? Oh, okay. Can you hear me better now, maybe? Bembis is saying I'm a little loud. I can increase that. That's okay. I asked you, Alcazar, if I could come in and help balance you a little. Is that okay? Just come in with some love and just very gently balance you. I'm gonna do so with a candle. Is it better now, the microphone, Bembis? When we have no studio, this is what happens. Okay. Hello, Shiro. That's okay. Hello, dear. Okay, Alcazar. And coming into your frequency. Hello. Okay. I'm just gonna put my hands either side of your head, you know this. And very gently, I'm just gonna align you, or try to help you do so. Okay? Okay. Just breathe. As Luna has showed you, in through the mouth, up through the nose, and out through the mouth. Sorry. Okay. Good. Perfect. One more. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Brilliant. And again. Good. One more. Again. There you go. That's great. You have frustration, Alcazar. That is gonna stay with you until you let it go. And that is something that you need to come to an agreement with yourself. But I will definitely try and bring some energy over. Have that beautiful little whirlwind of love and comfort, as I always talk about. I'm sorry if it is our connections. It could be. I apologize if so. Good. I'm gonna use some water as well. I apologize if our internet connection is a little bit wobbly. It's beautiful being here still. Welcome, Kuma Kununi. Welcome in there to a little corner. I give a vibe. Okay, Akasar. There you go. And that's better. That's good. I'm gonna work a little bit with your feet as well. And then this feels really good. I'm gonna have to start over at least. I can continue working on it. And hopefully turn it in March. I believe in you. It's something that this is a challenge. So this is something that you need to overcome yourself in order to prove to yourself that you can. You will. But it's part of that. When it happens, yes, it will open up for so much else, for so much more for you in different areas of your life. So that is why it has to happen. But it's nice to be able to come in and just share a little bit of love. Okay. How are you feeling, Akasar? I'm glad. That was the little something I wanted to bring to you today. And the little bubble. A little bubble. There. I'm glad. Thank you, dear. And again, I'm so sorry if the connection is a little bit wobbly. Still, so beautiful being here. Okay, guys, shall we take a little look at the key and see who wants to work with us next? The best wobbles, yes, best wobbles. Always. Oh, I didn't turn on. I'm so sorry. Okay, there you go. Now you get some, what's it called? Some capture too. Okay. Lai, there. Are you here? And can you hear and see me, okay? I have you as pending, Lai. Would you like a transference today? Hello, the cousins. Welcome there to a little corner. Are you here, Lai? I have Lai, and I have Shiro and Meryl. Meryl-san. Are you guys here? You're here. Hi. Would you like a transference today? Because you are our first in pending queue. What would you like? Would you like a healing or a reading, general or a specific? What are you feeling for? like today? Would you like a general or specific healing? Is there some place you would like us to work with specifically? Or would you like me to just go in and see what our guides say us to do? How do you feel? Just gonna do some clickety clicks. See if it works. Back pain and panic attacks. Okay. Let's see what we can do. Just relax, right? And I will come to you. I'm an astral healer. So I will come to you and I will work right where you are. Okay? You might feel a little sensation, a little tingling, maybe some warmth or cold hair, or nothing at all. Whatever you feel, you're safe. Okay? Okay. I'm putting my water down on the floor because just when we went on vacation, I've had it up on the table here, and you know the lid broke for a little. Some months ago, I've not been able to fix it. I will now, but not yet. And it stood right here on the table. And our cat, she said, now it's time for a vacation. So she tipped all the water over, and it fell straight into the computer, draining it or drenching it, because the computer is right here. You're stood on top of it. So I'm being a little bit careful. That's why instead of taking it from here, I take it from here. Okay. So, lie. I'm gonna come to you. Hello. Okay. So you got an overactive third eye, which is directly connected to your heart. What I would say this means, Lai, is that information that you gather from around you, because you're open, because you're trying to figure yourself out without really, it's tough love now, without really meeting what is in here. That makes it so that everything that comes to you, you take as not judgment, but it is in that dense energy, as if it is all about you not being worthy, you not being enough. When there's always hope. You're so close to your chakras, honey. You're so close to your sacral chakra and to your solar plexus. You have such a hope within, but because you're not quite found a way to meet emotion in here, because you need a different time. We're gonna take it at another time. That makes it so that all the information that comes to you feels directed at you. So what I'm gonna have and try and help you with is to turn that around, saying it's not necessarily directed at you, but it's for you, with you, simply existing alongside you. That is what I want us to work with today. So, you have an energetic thread that is curved. I'm right here now. And it's curved gonna start here and then we're gonna move to your back because this is all connected. And also because you're hurt and your inner love, because you have an abundance of it, tells you, hey, I'm beautiful. Hey, I believe. That comes from here. But then your mind, with this open, I'm not going to close it. We're going to have it react in a different way. But this open third eye chakra that is overactive is going to make it so that the information that travels through your spine and into your cells will be in contradiction to what your heart and higher guidance tell you. That is the pain, or that is part of the pain, from what I see. So this curved energetic thread that you have, take care, Lefara. All the love to you. I'm gonna try and balance it up, because when you come to here, it should continue down here, but it's somewhat skewed. So I'm gonna try and balance it up so that it can flow easier. So to not have this tension. Okay? Hello, Fabian. Good evening. Okay, so just breathe and I will see if we can help it come into balance. There you go. Good. Thank you so much for resetting, Alcazar. Good. Now it's connected to your, you can feel the tension in your eye. So we're gonna follow that to just give it some warmth, some appreciation. Yes. That's good. Now slowly following this energetic thread. We will need to stitch it on top just to help it stay in balance. So we're gonna stitch it because it's a little bit cut. Asking my guides to hold in the other part of it. You have a cut up here and then you have another one down your neck that we're gonna work with too. Letting them come together slowly. Beautiful. Now stitching it together. And I'm sorry I'm in the way in my own face. A little plaster. It's because I'm up on the crown. I'm not usually up here. And because it's my energy, a little leaf with yours. So it's just like, oh, that's good. Beautiful. And putting a little powder to help the healing. Good. Helping centering. Good. Now I'm going to follow the spine from your crown back. Activating it as we go. Here we have a cluster. I'm going to bring back the candle so you have something to look at there. We have an emotional cluster here. And and it's about a family member, but they're asking me not to talk about it, so we're just gonna bring it out. I am right here now. So we're just gonna bring it out gently. Wanting to take care of everyone, but not knowing how to take care of oneself. That's something that so many can resonate with. You're beautiful the very way you are. And as Luna said last night on the mass healing stream, imagine how many you help by just being you and helping you. Now we're showing it to your inner child, bringing it love and appreciation, and we're putting it back right where we found it. Letting it become part of the natural flow. Feeling in the shoulders now. Open up. Okay. Continuing down your spine. Traveling somewhat out your shoulder blades as well. Letting them breathe. Come into balance. Okay. Down your spine. Okay. Here. You're in somewhat above your tailbone, almost at the middle of your back, but lower down. So maybe a hand from your tailbone, somewhat further up. You're collecting a lot of emotion here, like. So I'm gonna just stay here, just send intention, energy, tension. Letting the warmth come in. Letting it spread gently. Good. And open up. Hello, Melinda. Okay. I'm gonna pull your spine now somewhat to help it recenter. Just breathe. Doing brilliantly. It's okay. And good. Wow. Good. This was what I was after. We've got a bleeding. That means you resonate. Just gonna stitch that up for you. Sorry, I'm out of shot again. First, I'm in front of my own face, and then I'm out of shot completely. Good. This is really, really good. Okay, I'm gonna do what I did on a different healing. last week. Max, I think it was. I'm gonna put some pressure, apply some pressure, the core of your spine, and it's gonna hurt a little bit. And then I'm gonna apply some pressure right up here where we worked before, somewhat before that point. I feel I want to apply it here on top of the head. I'm gonna hold it for a little bit, then I'm gonna let go, and I'm gonna fold the spine all the way down, all the way through, with warmth that can then spread to the rest of your back and leg. Okay? So I'm gonna apply a little bit of pressure right underneath your tailbone. And top of your head. Breathe through it. It's okay. A lot of emotion is here. It's okay. I'm gonna slowly and gently release. All in the spine. Ooh, don't collapse on me. It's okay. Gonna put in a little bubble to help you stabilize. Holding yourself up. Good. All in the spine. There. That's great. Yes, refresh if it crashes. I'm so sorry for the internet connection. They promised us fiber. And it should be on its way? Question mark. It's gonna be okay. Now let the worm spread throughout your body. Good. How are you feeling like? It's okay that you don't resonate completely. Feels like one part is saying yes, and another one is saying How are you feeling? I'm just tapping where we've been now. Hello, Thaya. Wonderful seeing you again. I'm gonna hold, put some intention healing by your heart as well. You have a lot of emotion in your body, love. But I'm hoping that this can help you see you're safe in you. I'm glad, Light. You're safe in you. So when information comes in, it is not about proving that you are not worthy. It is actually doing the opposite, because it's sharing with you what you're already part of. It's not you necessarily, but it is what you're part of. The world, like, and it's okay for you to gain that information. There's trust in you, and you know what you need to have that trust, to gain that trust. Nothing but being you. You are loved. You are appreciated. And all this that you have in your tummy and in your chest, all this dense emotion, all of it, let's put a little spin, is there because of love. Your love. You care. You care so deeply. You want to just be part of and want to help. So see all of this I'm seeing it from a different perspective. It's the light of the sun. It's love. There you go. Letting it spread through the body. Good. Okay. I'm happy. I'm gonna put in a little bubble that can help you in the process. Just next to you. But I'm very, very happy with this. I don't want to do too much more today. We'll let this balance. I'm glad, so I'm gonna take some steps back and let you be in your space. Thank you for letting me bring you there. And thank you for being you. Oh, it was already the candle. I'm sorry. Ooh. Kitty Kaylin, I recognize your energy. I know we've probably not met, but you have a beautiful, really colorful energy. Beautiful seeing you. All about that pink is coming to me. Thank you, Lai. Truly. Oh, that's why. I get that. That makes sense to me.